Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to troubleshoot or how to factory reset the Veise door lock in 2026. Now, before performing the reset, you need to make sure that you replace all the batteries with 4 new AA alkaline batteries. Now, many of the Veise lock issues, including the keypad failure, flashing lights, or programming errors, are basically caused by the weak batteries. So you need to basically first of all do it. Afterwards, you need to simply test the dead bolt with the door open. If the bolt extends and retracts normally while the door is open but struggles when the door is closed, it means that the problem is often a misaligned latch or strike plate rather than any programming issue. Now, if the lock still isn't working properly, you can just simply keep the door open and unlocked. After that, you need to simply remove the battery cover from the battery compartment. And when you remove the batteries, you just have to simply press this particular RES or the reset button on the interior assembly. While holding this particular reset button, you need to simply reinstall the batteries and continue holding it until you hear a beep and the dead bolt this way automatically extends. So when it does, it simply indicates that the factory reset process has started. So after the reset, do not interrupt the lock. The dead bolt will automatically extend and retract while the lock determines the correct door orientation. So this particular step is critical because the lock may not operate correctly if the handling process is incomplete. So when the reset is completed, the door return to the factory settings, and most of the Veise models restore to the default master code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So after regaining access, immediately create a new master code and re-add any of the user codes that you need. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.